Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to create a beautiful project for you. It is Valentine related, or you can use it for anything else because it's not going to be closely identified with Valentine's Day. The basket I picked up from Amazon, it was a set of 3. And as you can see, I'm showing you this basket is really well made. It is extremely sturdy. So I'm going to start with an old piece of floral foam that I had used once before, and I'm going to hot glue that to the inside of my basket. Picked up 2 bunches of dark pink and light pink florals from my discount store. These are really nice. You get 2 shades of pink flowers. You get some buds. You get a lot of this green leaf here, which I'm going to be using. I'm going to utilize everything that's attached to this bundle of roses. I'm going to be using this beautiful square vase. Guys, this vase is gorgeous. It is heavy. I got this on sale at my discount store many years ago. I don't remember how much it cost. I still have it and I absolutely love it. Do now is to hot glue my vase down onto the floral foam. And once that's done, that's going to stay. As you can see, I'm just tilting that a little bit. It's going to stay. And now I'm going to just finish filling in the rest of the project with all the greenery, the buds. And so what I'm doing now is creating a nice full look for this display. Okay, so now that it's done, guys, I absolutely love the way this looks. But I want to add a trim to the top of the vase. I think it needs a little color at the top as well. And now that that's done, I'm going to be using this beautiful pink and gold brooch. I'm going to use it right here at the top. And I'm going to be using an electronic candle today. And this is some of the same candles that I had previously in other videos. It's an electronic candle that I picked up from Amazon. It is part of a set of 3. And I absolutely love the way that's going to look. Okay, so for my next project, it's going to be really quick. I'm going to be using some real wax candles, and I'm going to be using this beautiful lace trim that I have. I've had this for a couple of years. I think I got that from a fabric store. And I'm just going to cut away a little bit of it and just wrap it around the candle. Adding some hot glue onto the lace. And then I'm going to fold that over and let the hot glue kind of fold it and pinch it down a little bit. After that, guys, I'm going to pinch it a little bit more by adding a piece of floral, white floral wire. And guys, look how beautiful that is. So I'm going to create another one. We're going to have a set of 2. And thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Let me know what you think about both the projects. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.